Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna look at the introduction of cladding types and we're gonna look at the built-up wall. Again, my name is Milad Khan. If you guys got any question, please feel free to leave in the comment box and I'll try my best to answer as soon as I can. So built-up walls. So you can see here is a picture of built-up walls. So you can see the windows here. See the windows, and then you can see the Rainscreen cladding. Yeah, so basically built-up walls, they are constructed in a series of separate layers or operation. So with the layers of or operation, we can have backing wall, insulation, membranes, windows, and then we can have the external cladding. And with the external cladding, we got different options like Rainscreen and render. Layers often installed by different subcontractors. So usually you have one subcontractor for backing wall, which could be SFS or concrete wall. And then you can have another contractor for Rainscreen cladding and maybe another contractor for windows and doors and curtain walling. Generally use standard components. Now we're going to look at the back wall. So purpose of back wall is to transfer loads to primary structure. So if you have SFS, so this SFS will transfer the external facade loading to primary structure, which is the steel work or concrete work or RC slab. Provides air barrier, provides fire resistance, provides internal surface, and which may include vapor barrier and waterproof membrane. We also need thermal insulation within the built-up walls. We'll have a cavity, and the purpose of cavity is the second line, which is a second line of defense against water penetration. And obviously the outer finish, which is to provide aesthetic effect. First line of defense against water penetration, external render or Rainscreen. And within the Rainscreen, we can have windows. Now we're going to look at the backing wall. So on the picture you can see this is a backing wall with the SFS, and then you can see the external finish as well, which usually the sheathing board, and with the internally you can have the dry lining or plaster board. So backing wall could be solid, so it could be masonry or concrete, or could be frame like this one on the picture. Frame could be site assembled or prefabricated, so everything finished on the factory. It could be load bearing, could be infill. Now we're going to look at the Rainscreen wall construction. So on the picture you can see there's a Rainscreen built up. So normally on the internal face of the Rainscreen you need insulation there. So with the insulation it could be mineral wool or phenolic foam and usually mechanically fixed to the SFS or backing wall. Also, you need the membrane, weatherproof membrane or breather membrane, which is this one. And then Rainscreen support wall. You can see the Rainscreen support wall here, which usually is called helping hand brackets or subframe, and Rainscreen panels at the outside. Now we're going to look at the render or insulation system. You can see a render cladding here. So normally insulation attached to support wall, and then you need adhesive mechanically fixings. You need insulation. The insulation could be polystyrene or mineral wool, and cavity normally behind insulation. You can see there's a picture here with the render finish. So there are two options with the renders. So first one could be mineral or polymer modified, or it could be cementitious like this one. Normally you need reinforcement, which could be metal lath or glass cream or glass fibers, and any decorative type finish. Now, reason for using built-up walls is the architectural intent. Architect prefers something to have large opaque areas, wide range of materials, wide range of cost. Anything could be £200 to up to £900, used for both new build and refurbishment or repair projects. Now, consequence of using built-up walls. Wall normally split into packages, which means you need to be aware of coordination of packages, requires understanding of layers, standard components, but performance depend on interfaces. You also need external access. Cranage depends on degree of prefabrication. Completion of back wall and windows can allow internal work to proceed during external cladding, which means you can save time. Now, if you guys got any question, please feel free to ask in the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.